Hey guys, it's Marine to a Mill here. Let me come in and show you where I'm at. So, yeah, I got a green screen, I got a webcam, I got all that later, but I'm gonna hook it up here after this in a bit. But right now, I just want to look at the Bitcoin charts with you for a little bit and just kind of explain where am I? What have I done? What have I done? And what am I looking at for positions here, and what's my general setup. So basically, I had been longing, as we were in the crazy bull zone. I started actually making some profit, which was really exciting for me because that was the end of my first week of day trading. Started making some profit. We're talking like $50 worth of profit here or something like that. But to see a little USD in my account over here, this is my account page. That was really something, you know. Right now I've got $3 there. Got about $80 worth of Bitcoin. My balance won't update because the website's slow. But yeah, so come over to funding. It usually refreshes. Usually forces it to refresh. So yeah, you can see here 90 bucks in total. That's including my whopping $3.69 of sheer unbridled profit. In reality, that's loss because I'm super duper down, super down in this account. But that's okay. This right here is learning, and we are learning how to do it, guys. We're learning. So right now, what do I have on the table? I have a buy. You can see right here, I've got a buy set for 48,500 Bitcoin level. And my intent will be for this that if it comes down and picks me up, I will see what it does over today. Hopefully it doesn't go down to 47, 46, 45, 44, 43 to that 43 target that some people have. I'm hoping that it'll come up to, 50, 500. I could potentially trade out of it today, but what I'll more likely do if I do get picked up down here at 48.5 is I'll set a sell target for like 51.7 or something like that, 51.7, and I'll let this run overnight. And hopefully that will get some peaks during the night that'll sell me off, and I'll make like 17 to 20 bucks. So bear in mind that I'm not playing with massive numbers because I'm not a total idiot. Like, this is my third day of my second week ever of trading in my entire life. So it's important for me to use real money so I can see and feel the consequences and start to get used to what's actually happening here. But it's equally as important for me to not use like large sums of money. So I made an error over here where this balance was 500. Not gonna lie, this balance at one point with some USD profits that I had made, this was like 500. Now it's 90. And why? Why is it 90? Well, I'll show you why it was 90. 90 because where's that massive candle? Let's come over to the 4-hour chart. Yeah. Wait, where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Here it is. Yeah, that is why. That right here, this one gigantic candle, see this little red dot? That signifies me getting liquidated. See this green dot? That signifies me initiating a long position. And as soon as I initiated that long position, we tanked, super duper tanked, and I got liquidated. I lost almost $400 out of my $500 total right there, right then and there. What's good about this, you might ask? I still have $90 left, and I did not put in any more money to refund my account. So I didn't get completely wiped out. And honestly, this $500 that I started my account with, I was considering it expendable to an extent. I was considering it the cost of tuition to attend a school, the school of hard knock day trading, better buckle in type schooling. So the fact that I'm not completely out of tuition right now, I'm excited about. So guys, let's flop back over to the 5-minute chart. What do I personally think? What do I see going on here? You know, we hit about 51. We were hitting around 50 to 51 throughout the night. We tanked below the 20-day EMA. I believe that's a 20-day EMA. And we've been kind of just teetering around down here all day. You know, I start work at 6 o'clock in the morning, or I actually get the computer fired up around like 6:15 a.m. And it's currently about noon, so I've been at it for a while. You know, doing market research, watching videos on YouTube, trying to figure this and that out. You know, I did get stopped out already. So I've triggered my stop loss a couple times, but here's the upside to that. I'm using a stop loss now, and it's preventing me from making losses. So one thing that I've learned, and that I'm not maybe fully learned, but that I am learning, is that you have to be willing to allow your stop loss to get hit in this kind of crypto market. If you're not willing to allow your stop loss to get hit and to stop out, then you are like super duper increasing your risk for losing more than your gains are. So it's a very crazy balancing act that I'm trying to have to play over here, but the reality of the situation is that if your stop losses are set to where you're losing smaller amounts of money and your gains turn out to be larger amounts of money, mathematically you're going to be up at the end of the day. My problem right now is that basically I'm not winning enough overall to have it play out that way. So I'm going back to the drawing board. I'm really playing it safer in my opinion. I'm not trying to fill my time with trades. What I'm trying to do is take time out of trades, more time out of positions, to try to look for good setups. And I've been calling it be a wicker man. I should be a wicker man. So like you see down here, this lower wick that touches 48,500 right here. See, if I had this buy position set down there, which is clearly out of the range of the majority of these candlesticks, of these candles, that would just pick me up by the wick. And I call that being a wicker man. So, you know, you could have a short set way up here. So in case it shot up a giant wick, you could get picked up by the wick. And same thing down here. I'm kind of just patiently waiting just in case a wick comes down and I can get picked up by a wick. So that's currently what I'm doing. You know, it's not super high octane stuff because I tried super high octane moves and I lost basically all the time. So, you know, bear in mind, again, I'll just say it again, this is week 2 of me trading. What do I see for the future? I will get this. I will learn this. I will get better, and I hope you join me, and I'll share everything I'm learning with you. Bye, guys.